Vandies, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is Detective Pikachu inspired makeup. You can see it right now and you will see it later. I was very inspired by Detective Pikachu movie when I went to the cinema yesterday, and I wanted to do something inspired by it to recreate the makeup look that Pikachu gives me the vibe of. And it's all gonna be shop and stash style. No new releases because I'm on a no buy year. So there is that. Hopefully you enjoy it. And here is the look. Okay, so I primed my eyes and now I'm gonna do the crease and start with the yellow color. The yellow I'm using is Coastal Scents Bright Yellow, but you can do any yellow matte eyeshadow obviously, and you can do the whole look using your Colourpop Yes Please eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna reach for what's the closest and the most convenient to me, and that's my Z palettes, where I have a lot of single shadows as well as depotted ones from brands like Colourpop. And now we're going to blend the yellow into the orange. And the orange that I'm going to use is the Orange Matte Shadow from Colourpop Sol. Let's see how it performs. It's pretty vibrant. It looks pretty pink in relation to the orange shade. Now I'm going back to yellow. And the final for the crease will be red matte color, which will be the one from Colourpop Yes Please, the red matte. It's a very nice shade. So pigmented, but a lot of fallout and kickback in the pen. It's very vibrant neon orange that waters with pink. Let's leave this and that, and then we can later we can go back and fix the blending. Now I want to wet my brush and do the lid. First of all, I'm gonna go with yellow shimmery color on the lid. This one is from Colourpop I Think I Love You. Now I'm gonna go with red shimmer. I'm gonna use the one by the brand that I don't really support at all anymore. It's Kat Von D, but Colourpop also has red shimmer. It's also indie brands like Divina Cosmetics, even Coastal Scents. Talking about the color scheme of this look, the yellow represents Pikachu's fur, red represents the color of his cheeks, and orange is like something in between. But I do think, I kind of think of orange when I think of Pikachu. Now I'm gonna go clean the fallout and do the eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. But to recreate the Pikachu's round eyes, you can have like an upturned wing liner. You need to have downturned wing liner, more Korean makeup style, but I'll see you in a second. Okay, so now I'm back with the finished with foundation, lashes, and all of that nature. Now we're gonna do one of the main parts of the look, which is gonna be yellow blush, which obviously symbolizes the color of the Pikachu himself. And apparently it's also a very huge trend in Korean makeup. Also, other non-Korean MUAs on YouTube show that too. And basically the story is that you take a yellow blush or yellow eyeshadow, blend it on your cheeks, and then add a coral or reddish color in our case in the center. Ew. And in this look there's also gonna be no contouring because Pikachu has round eyes. He's not one of the like chiseled cheekbones character. He's very round and like squishy and nice and fluffy. He has those little cute cheeks, so no contouring. Honestly, I kind of like how it looks. Now I just wanna wear this all the time. Thought of this first. Power to you. Although this kind of emphasizes that I don't have a symmetrical vision or something, because my blush looks so awesome asymmetrical. Okay, let's leave this like this, and then I will try to fix the symmetry with the beauty blender just going on top. But now we're going for the red blush. I have this one. It's Coastal Scents Invigorate blush, very red, to represent Pikachu's red cheeks, and I'm using the same brush. Try to do blush a different style to what I usually do, because we need to stay true to the character. Honestly, I really like how it looks. Now let's go to lower lid eye makeup. Gotta say, this shimmer shade is very crumbly. It's already, the crumbs of it are already inside my eye, sticking to my contact lens, and that's why I never really liked Colourpop shimmers. They have this beady, gritty, sand-like texture to them. So for the lower lid we have yellow, and then we're gonna have red again. Beautiful. I'm gonna say, Jelly, you feel like Pikachu. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this Vanessa's Vanity White Gold because we need like a yellow highlighter, and this is a yellow highlighter, you will see. Obviously, a highlighter on top of the cheeks makes our cheeks look more plump and glowing, and plump cheeks is what Pikachu has. And the inner corner. For lips, what could be more fitting than this? Tony Moly X Pokemon Coral Lip Tint. It's discontinued, unfortunately, but I bought it on the website Beauty Joint even after it's been discontinued. And also I have no problem with the people using a discontinued makeup. It's just a regular lip tint. You can use any K-Beauty lip tint. It also smells really nice. So this is the finished look. I'm not gonna do anything to the brows because I don't think that's Pikachu or K-Beauty style, but there is that, and this is the finished look. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.